Okay, so now your own is what?
Me, my own is IGBO group.
IGBO group. So how do you say when you want to say come in IGBO group dialect? How do you say?
Yeah.
When you want to say go.
Laba.
When you want to say I want to eat.
Aganri.
What?
Aganri.
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 Okay, when you want to say I want to go home.
Achon lolo.
When you want to say come and sit down.
Bedumrala.
When you want to say this place is my home.
Ba Bekenyi.
Ba Bekenyi.
Yes.
Ba Bekenyi. When you want to say I want to marry.
Abmonyo Komoko or Achomeludi.
I want to marry.
Achon Ludi.
Achomeludi.
Yes.
Okay. When you want to say bring me water, let me drink. Achomumri.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
That is the Okomoko dialect.
Yeah, that side.
Okay. And it's
this other one. Nyemri. Some people might say Nyemri. Nyemri Kango. That's how it is.
Okay. And in all these things, we are still different from the general IGBO.
Yes.
How?
Hi, do you know that 200 pieces of these pet bottles can actually give you health insurance cover for 1 month? Or 45 pieces of this can actually give you health insurance cover for 1 month? Ask me how. Just start by signing up to our code by dialing *347 *909 # to sign up. And you can get access to healthcare from any pharmacy across Nigeria. Thank you.
Abeg, if you tell us your name.
Njoku Ego Ihoma.
Njoku Ego Ihoma.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Mba Eche.
Mba?
Yeah, I'm selling at OK here.
Okay, okay. You are doing business right here, but you are from Eche.
Yeah, I'm from Eche.
Okay. So okay. You get waiting carriers come Eche land. Waiting carriers come, eh? We try. We don't work go plenty places before we come Eche. We don't go plenty local governments. When get affiliation with Igbo people. You know, people where they speak Igbo, but we know identify as Igbo. So we don't come Eche now. We don't see some people, but we come meet you. We know from you. Eche people, we don't come here. Then they speak Igbo. Then they speak their own dialect of Igbo. One no, Eche people are Igbo people.
They are not from Igbo.
Where they from?
Then be Eche. We hear each other's language. Our languages are different. There are some Eche that will be speaking and you will not understand them. But there are others who will speak, you will get them clear. This part of Eche here, they speak, you will get them, but our own side of Eche, closer Chokocho there, our own dialect is quite different from this side. With my intonation now, if I speak my own dialect, you will notice I'm from that side of Eche.
Okay, you're from Chokocho, Eche?
Okomoko.
Okomoko.
Yeah.
Beside Chokocho?
Yes. After Chokocho, you get Okomoko.
Okay, after Chokocho, you get Okomoko.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, what is the difference between the Chokocho Eche person and the general IGBO?
General IGBO?
Yes.
They're on their own, we are on our own.
Okay, so like, how do you, in Chokocho, do they speak a different language or they speak dialect of Igbo?
It's dialect.
Dialect of Igbo.
Dialect of Igbo. But we hear each other.
You can
like
hear
Igbos, we hear them. But our own is quite different from theirs.
Yes. Have you heard about the Nkanu man or the Enugu Ejike man in Enugu?
No, I have not.
But do you know about them?
Enugu?
Yes, Enugu.
I know about Enugu, but I don't know about what is going on.
Their clans?
Yeah, their clans.
Okay, do you know about Eza in Ebonyi?
Eza, no, I don't know much.
Okay, why I'm asking you these things, these people speak a different kind of Igbo that no general Igbo hears. Like,
it's applicable here. A man or woman might be speaking now, you will not get him.
Okay, when a man speaks, a Chokocho man might not hear it.
Not all.
Not all. Just like, okay, now, when we speak general Igbo. Okay, before that, I want to ask you, in Chokocho dialect or Okomoko, how do you call, yes, Eche, how do you?
Igbo Agurasa.
Igbo.
Yes, Igbo Agwarasa.
Igbo Agwarasa.
Yes.
Igbo Agwarasa.
Yes. That's Igbo. The Igbo. Then this other one is we are in clans now. We have Okehi clan, Igbo clan, and this Ozuzu. That's how we are. Ozuzu man might be speaking now. It takes time for you to hear. Chokocho. There is a kind of language they will speak from all those Igbo group. They call them Igbo group. Their own dialect is quite different from this. We identify each other by the way we talk.
Okay, so that means inside this Echi, there is no, as in their whole dialects are different.
They are different. You quickly identify a Moma man here. You identify Igbo group person quickly and also you can with the way they are in the way they speak.
Okay, so now your own is what?
My own is Igbo group.
Igbo group. So how do you say when you want to say come in Igbo group dialect? How do you say?
Yeah.
When you want to say go.
Laba.
When you want to say I want to eat.
Aganri.
What?
Aganri.
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 Okay, when you want to say I want to go home.
Achon lolo.
When you want to say come and sit down.
Bedumrala.
When you want to say this place is my home.
Ba Bekenyi.
Ba Bekenyi.
Yes.
Ba Bekenyi. When you want to say I want to marry.
Abmonyo Komoko or Achome Ludi.
I want to marry.
Achon Ludi.
Achome Ludi.
Yes.
Okay. When you want to say bring me water, let me drink.
Achomumri.
Achome ngumiri.
Yes.
Wow.
Kwamiri kango.
Kwamiri kango.
Yes.
That is the Okomoko dialect.
Yeah, that side.
Okay. And it's
this other one. Nyemri. Some people might say Nyemri. Nyemri kango. That's how it is.
Okay. And in all these things, we are still different from the general Igbo.
Yes.
How?
Because except you bring down your ear well, you might not know what I'm saying.
That means, have you heard?
Like this a boy, and these other areas in Igbo, they might be speaking. I don't hear them. Like the ones closer me here now, when they go into their right dialect, I cannot hear them.
That is the same thing that is said that Igbo na asu nolu nolu. Have you heard about that?
Yes. Igbo onye wala na asasusu nolu nolu. Like it's applicable in a chair here. Like I told you, I did tell you that a Omoma person comes around now without being told I will identify him as an Omoma person. Then Igbo group person comes here and I will quickly identify him or she that he's from that side. When they come around, I will quickly that they will tell you, come out, Pujena Odon.
Pujena Odon.
Say go out from here now. That's
Pujena Odon means go out from here.
Puja Odo. I will beat you now. Say I can go here Odo.
Odo, do you know that
now?
Odo is now. Do you know in my own language, in my own dialect, I'm an Imbiri man.
Okay.
We say Biango Ododo. Ododo means now.
But in a general language here, as I stay at okay here, Biana.
Biobua.
Biana. Biana.
So, but the people, the others, I say Odo.
Odo say come now, Biana Odo. Odo.
Then in my own side, in Mbiri we don't speak the same. The same. In Mbiri, my own is Oma Gurumbiri, and we say each of my means you are looking for my trouble now.
Okay.
You do honor.
Me personally, I might not understand it.
So now, but when I come out in the general Igbo, I will never use that. I will say
that is it.
Does it after all these things that you heard now, do you still believe that an Eche man is a different tribe from an Igbo man?
There are different tribes. There are different tribes. They are not from Igbo. I'm telling you, sincerely speaking. Sincerely speaking.
This is deep.
No. A chairman is not, because they have their own language. They have their own language. If we come out to begin to speak Igbo now,
that is not a language. The language there, no, I'm coming. The language, wait, the language there that is recognized is Igbo language, which in all our clans, we have our own distinct dialects. We have separated ourselves with the dialects. What we have are all dialects. But
but if I ain't deep, I can't.
That is the deep with the dialects. The dialects we hear ufu. Mana name I put on from that dialect. I ask if we hear Onya Wasanagano. Onye cameraman na onye Asaritoru local government. Onye Calabari. Oga no when you soro here na ma. I saw na Central Igbo. I saw na Inka. I saw na Oga ni.
Oga no ya.
You to jano.
Oga no.
Gig Oga no.
Because generally all of us speak the same language.
I'm going to my cameraman here. No Central Igbo as in Nkahim if you am gano. Gwagodia.
Na leve de ayaka so na
ejim gaga adubuga mu roro ari honya ma ozo shibia
mba
beto gwagodia cameraman kusugodia na
to say that he can't hear me. He will
sugodi mu anwene ke ni ya ma ga ni
I pretend not to hear because
no I can't pretend o na anu sugodi just ka you me kwens
sorry how we can.
Okay, Prince mba apia biko biagodi iriele ni no ine here iriele ni iriele ni isegene iriele ni our cameraman ana no
o gwa gi se mba
no oga no
obu police.
All right mommy is that hage ogene ozo hage ogene Njoku ego
ai
aha gị nke na-aza ihe na-aza aha chokocho okomoko
onke dim
iwe onye ebe n'ime digo onye ebe
onye mba
kedu ebe o si lụta gị
o si okomoko lụta na mba
na mba na Ichekwa so kedu egwa gị eziokwu ike agwụbe m bete maka na oge adịla ka m okay wa bụcha isha balụ ị ga-aba anyị na-ahụta ndị aba ndị na-asụ asụsụ ị na-asụ ị ga ihe na-asụ ha na-aba
this generally Igbo language we used to buy or broken ọ gasị ndị port abịala o
gị ịza onye port
gị sụọ ọnụ English asị onye port abịala o
bete ịsụkwa n'Igbo
they will all hear you
mgbe nabata gị
onye Hausa na-asụ Igbo
onye Hausa biri nga
ndị ke bi na be ha ebe ahụ na-asụchi ha na-asụ Hausa because they are there. You can learn.
When you DJ asks you onye Aba.
Mu no onye Aba.
Magila ya kwara ị chọrọ ịzụ ihe o ego ele.
There are some they will not hear.
Na Aba.
With Igbo. If it is my dialect, I can get all. I can pick all. I'm banying deep.
Well, obiọma m na isi no dialect, isi no language. Dialect ka anyị niile na-asụ na mpaghara. Aya ka eji si Igbo na-asụ n'olu.
Igbo na-asụ n'olu. Otu anyị na dialects are quite different. Like I told you, Omuma speaks differently. Igbo group.
That is n'ime echi ahụ na-asụ na ihe ọzọ na ihe ọzọ. So you guys went to an Imo State guy. Imo State Unisheba. Okpala kwe.
Ana so ndị okpala na-asụ onye mbeli na-asụ.
Akwa? Ngwana ka happy eba. Elaro gị iche. Ngwana a ga-abịara echi ọzọ. Udo dịrị gị.
Udo dịrịkwa gị.
All right. It's your boy again, the XDC and the YPP. I beg. You know, this is what they do. We need to do them by our own power, by our own strength. We need to do them say, we get time, we get strength, we get the resource to work around. Now you really power this thing. Now to educate our young ones. Now to educate people when not be even Igbo, when no from our side. Now to educate them, say, see as you get people where they speak, but they say they no be. You get people when be, they say they need to speak. Some things like that they happen. So I bet what you go if you do for us now to share them. Share this video, share them, go everywhere, share them. Our strength not from the share, our strength not from your comments, our strength not from your likes and everything. If you donate star, if you touch you, say what will they do you like, you go on, make we go far, we go farther than this. I beg, donate star na money, we will use them, produce more. Thank you.